Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can make your Canva website mobile friendly, okay? Now the first step guys is going to be of course to design a mobile first mentally, okay? This is optional but of course it's going to be very helpful. If you start with planning the content priority for phone users, such as a single column flow, a concise headlines, large tapeable buttons such as this one here, designer with mobile in mind avoids heavy desktop only layouts, okay? So I recommend that you don't actually have these so large titles that are gonna disrupt the mobile experience, okay? Now, what are you gonna do next? You're gonna open your site in the Canva editor. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna click on this icon here, and now you're gonna click on the mobile views you can see here. Okay, this is the most important step, guys. You have to carefully analyze how it's gonna look in here, okay? This preview is gonna show the real responsive result, so I want you to pay close attention to it. As you can see, I'm scrolling down, taking a look at it, and it's looking actually not so bad. It's looking perfect. Okay, I think this is actually cut off. Let me take a look at it. Okay, and the most important, okay, no, it's actually good. Never mind. So yeah, you have to scroll down and see how it looks. And so far it looks fantastic, okay? But you have to scan for common problem areas, such as overlapping elements. For example, this one here, I'm gonna have to fix. Overlapping elements, huge images that are gonna push the contents off screen, buttons linked that are too small, or long multi-columns block that become cramped on mobile. As you can see, this is not the case for me. This looks pretty much perfect, but this text in here, I don't like it so much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click in here basically, and I'm gonna, make this smaller, okay? And that's it, just be patient and check the page for errors and mistakes. Thank you so much.